As many of you know, I'm certified in skincare and repair from Harvard University, and I test beauty devices regularly. I've learned the hard way that viral hype and clinical reality can be two very different things. What I'm most interested in recently, though, is this one. This is a newly launched product. It's the Ulike ReGlow Max. This product has a very unique design. Not only does it treat the face, but it can also be used for full body. It can be used for acne removal, skin tightening, and reducing fine lines. In addition, it helps with recovery and eases everyday muscle tension and soreness. But is it really a miracle cure? So I put it to the test for 28 days. I wanted to find out for myself if this is really the future of at-home skincare. We're going to dive into today the science and see how my own results measure up. So let's get into it. Before we dive into the ReGlow Max though, I wanted to share some of my own skincare concerns as reference. I am over 40 and I do have mature skin and I don't have any tox or fillers, so I rely solely on skincare devices and skincare products to achieve my skincare goals. My personal primary skincare concerns are I do still have acne and I have wrinkles around my eyes, those crow's feet that everybody dreads, and I'm interested in keeping my face firm, particularly my jawline and my neck, and I do have those deep lines going vertically in my neck, and I do have sagging skin on my neck and chest areas too. So that's another concern of mine personally. So I'm always looking to treat those areas with at-home beauty devices, and I do personally love a brightened complexion. I'd love to improve my skin texture and minimize pores. So those are the things that I'm personally looking to improve when I do use at-home beauty devices. So with that in mind, let's get back to the device. So this is a red light beauty device, but first let me explain the effectiveness of red light therapy. The red light therapy used in this device was actually discovered by NASA to help astronauts heal wounds faster in space. Red light isn't just for skin rejuvenation though. It can also help to stimulate collagen production to reduce scars and wrinkles, and it also helps in pain management as well. It can help to ease joint pain and inflammation from conditions like arthritis and tendinitis. It can also help with muscle recovery because it speeds up tissue repair and reduces muscle soreness. Any good device has to use wavelengths that are clinically proven to work. The light has to hit the target area evenly. If there are big gaps between the LEDs or the device, you'll get dead zones and uneven results. So let's get into the investigation and have a Ulike ReGlow deep dive. It comes with 3 different modes and 3 types of light. It has the M01, the acne defense mode. This mode uses a combination of blue, 415 nm, and red light, 630 nm light. It's a classic duo for acne treatment that kills bacteria while reducing inflammation. Then there's the M02, the anti-aging recovery mode. This uses red, 630 nm, and near infrared, 830 nm light. This is your go-to for stimulating collagen and smoothing out fine lines. Then there's the M03 mode, the dual care mode. This mode runs on all 3 wavelengths at once for an all-encompassing treatment. These wavelengths are clinically sound and are the exact ranges proven to be effective in dermatological studies. So now let's get into the specs. The Ulike ReGlow Max claims the device has 464 medical grade LEDs. This is a huge number compared to the competition. For some context, other very popular masks have around 132 LEDs, and the ReGlow Max has 464. The Ulike ReGlow Max also features a massive coverage area of about 1,040 centimeters, which dwarfs the typical 300 to 500 centimeters most panels and masks have. It's a large foldable panel designed for our face, neck, back, and legs, pretty much your entire body, which is a major selling point. The foldable screen design can also reduce uneven exposure and dead zones. The company also highlights its dual-sided mirror technology, which they claim reflects scattered light back towards the skin, resulting in 95.26 light concentration rate. In theory, this should boost the power intensity and make the treatment even more effective. So on paper, the specs are definitely impressive. The number of LEDs, the huge coverage area, and the multi-wavelength approach all suggest a super powerful device. But the numbers I really care about are the actual results from my usage. Ulike's third-party testing claims a significant reduction in crow's feet and facial acne in just 28 days. To put these claims to the test, I set up my my own 28-day experiment. I used the M02 anti-aging recovery mode for 10 minutes 5 times a week. I took high-resolution photos in the same light on day 0 and day 28. The investigation was on. After 20 days of diligent treatment, it's time for the moment of truth. Did the Ulike ReGlow Max actually live up to its impressive claims? Let's start with my subjective experience using the device, and it is going to get interesting. It's not a wearable mask, so you have the freedom though to sit or lie down and position it over your face like a tent. Now for the visual results. Looking at my before and after photos, the changes are subtle, but they are definitely there. I was most interested in my crow's feet and my neck and chest. The finer lines around my eyes seem a bit softer, less etched in, and my skin texture actually looks more refined, and there's a certain plumpness to my skin that I hadn't seen before. I also noticed an improvement in overall radiance and evenness in my skin tone. My skin looks just better, and I've also noticed changes in my body. My neckline seems firmer and my chest as well. My skin looks brighter, healthier, and my facial skin looks more well rested. Based on what I can see, I can confirm a definite visible improvement in the texture and appearance of those fine lines. My results feel like they're heading in the same direction as their clinical data, even if I can't verify the exact percentages. But I like how I could treat my neck and chest at the same time. Before I had to use a separate neck mask, but this is so much easier. You can also treat multiple areas at once, like your face, neck, and chest all at the same time. And I've also been using it on my hands and actually on my stomach as well. And it's so much easier than having to use straps to hold the mask on your face. And I also love that I can treat other areas of my body. For example, I've been using it on my stomach now, and my husband loves to use it for recovery, for how it relieves his muscle pain and his joint pain and his knee pain. So this is definitely a multifunctional device. The heat from the 464 LEDs is gentle but slightly noticeable, creating this pleasant, warm sensation. It feels pretty therapeutic. Red light does indeed help improve your mood, and I have personally felt a difference myself. So how do you use it? It's so simple. You just start with a clean face, so you just want to clean your face and any body areas that you're going to be treating. Then you put on your goggles, then hold the power button for about 2 seconds, and then you pick your mode. Then you simply apply the light to the area that you want to treat, whether it be your face, neck, back, arms, legs, or even your feet, because as I mentioned earlier, it has been helpful for people with arthritis to help treat pain in their feet. So after about a month of testing, here's my brutally honest take on the Ulike ReGlow Max. Compared to standard LED masks, the biggest win for the Ulike ReGlow Max is the sheer coverage. I treated my entire face, jawline, and the top of my neck and my chest too, all at once. With a regular mask, you often get good results on your cheeks and forehead, but the jawline and the neck many times get left out. But the flexible panel design isn't just a gimmick, it's a real advantage for anyone who wants to treat more than just the middle of their face. Then there's the power specs. With 464 medical grade LEDs and 3 clinically proven wavelengths, this device is built to perform. There's also that versatility. The 3 modes for anti-aging, acne, and combination care make it a flexible tool for a variety of different skin concerns. And then there's my visible results. In my 28-day trial, I saw a real tangible improvement in my skin texture, radiance, and the softening of my fine lines. So what are the cons though? The price. This is a premium device and it has a premium price tag. It's a significant investment. However, it can be used for many years and you can even share it with family and friends. When you calculate it this way, the cost effectiveness is actually quite high. And then there's storage. It is bigger than a mask, even though it's foldable. So who should think about buying the Ulike ReGlow Max? This device is for the person who is serious about at-home light therapy and wants to treat their full face, neck, and even other parts of their body with red light therapy. If you're concerned not just about wrinkles on your face, but also want to treat the lines on your neck and crepiness on your chest or even acne on your back, the Ulike ReGlow Max coverage is just in a whole different league of its own, especially in the mask market. It's for those who want to use red light therapy for pain reduction and muscle recovery, And it's for the data nerd who looks at the 464 LEDs and sees power and efficiency. So my final judgment, the Ulike ReGlow Max isn't just clever marketing. It's a powerful, effective, and uniquely designed light therapy device. But now I want to hear from you. What's your experience been using at-home LED devices? Are you a team mask or a team panel lover? Let me know down below in the comments. I read every single one and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. And if you found this scientific breakdown helpful, please think about subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I have a lot more beauty device reviews and deep dives coming your way, and I'd love for you to be a part of this community. So to wrap this all up, is the Ulike ReGlow Max worth it? My final verdict is this: although this device isn't cheap, self-investment for women is worth it. If this top-tier high-performance device with its massive coverage area and multi-use potential lines up with your personal skincare goals, then yes, this is absolutely worth it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.